groove. We're gonna try some moves. Repeat after me and then we'll see how many you can do. First let's clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Let's go a little faster now. Clap, 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 clap. Now let's do the disco. Point your finger to the ground. Reach up high, touch the sky, then point that finger down. Can you do the robot? Can you move it to the beat? Keep those hands straight and the robot is complete. Now let's floss. Make those arms and legs crisscross. Can you move nice and fast? Can you floss like a boss? Now step to the grapevine, walk it out and cross those feet. Left to right, side to side, grapevine to the funky beat. Now can you do the air? Make an L shape with your hand. With your hand by your head and kick those legs. And that's how we do the dance. Now you know the moves, let's see what you can do. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, 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 clap. Then disco, 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 disco.